Ever dreamed of ditching the traditional bank and diving into the world of mobile banking? Maybe you're a freelancer who needs an account that travels with you, or perhaps you're tired of those hefty monthly fees. Whatever the reason, Monese has been making waves as a challenger bank, offering a sleek app and a focus on international finance. But before you jump ship, there's one crucial question: how much moolah can you actually stash in your Monese account? That's what we're here to crack open today. We'll be diving deep into Monese deposit limits, exploring the differences between personal and business accounts, and giving you some handy tips to maximize your Monese experience. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of your digital wallet. First things first, Monese isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. They offer different account types with varying features and, you guessed it, deposit limits. Let's break down the two main categories. 1. Personal accounts. This is where most folks land. Perfect for everyday banking, Monese personal accounts come in 3 flavors: simple, classic, and premium. Now, the deposit limit itself isn't explicitly stated by Monese, which can be a bit confusing. But fear not, intrepid explorer. Here's the key takeaway. Monese seems more focused on managing your cash flow than stockpiling it. They encourage frequent transactions and international use. That being said, there are some soft limits to consider. Large, one-off deposits. While there's no official cap, depositing a massive sum might trigger a security check. Monese is all about understanding your financial habits, so a sudden influx of cash could raise an eyebrow. Suspicious activity. If your deposit patterns seem unusual, Monese might put a hold on things to ensure everything's on the up and up. This is just them being responsible guardians of your hard-earned money. Here's a pro tip: if you're planning a significant deposit, it's always good practice to contact Monese support beforehand. A quick heads up keeps things smooth and avoids any unnecessary delays. 2. Business accounts. Now, let's talk about the go-getters, the entrepreneurs. Monese offers business accounts specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. Here, things get a bit more straightforward with a clear deposit limit. £100,000, or equivalent in euro or RON. This is the maximum amount you can hold in your Monese business account. It's important to remember that this is a hard limit. Unlike personal accounts, business accounts are meant for managing your business income and expenses, not acting as a long-term storage facility for large sums. Bonus tip: Monese also has limitations on cash deposits depending on the method you choose: post office, PayPoint, etc. You can find the specifics on their website to avoid any surprises. So, how much can you put in Monese? The answer, as we've seen, depends on the account type and your intended use. For personal accounts, focus on managing your cash flow and avoid sudden, massive deposits. Communication with Monese support goes a long way. Business accounts have a clear £100,000 limit, ideal for handling your everyday business transactions. Remember, Monese shines when it comes to international banking and managing your day-to-day finances. If you're looking for a traditional bank-style vault for a huge sum of money, you might want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.